We are so excited to be back with our workshop weekend on November 13th and 14th. We are going to have a beginner level on Saturday, and that's going to cover some really awesome things.
Yeah, in the beginner swing workshop, we're going to be talking about things like spins and turns, we're going to be talking about tension and compression, and we're going to be throwing all of some of Mary's favorite pizzazz on top of it while swinging out to some great jazz music.
And then on Sunday is going to be our intermediate level.
And our intermediate level is going to be all about the music. So first hour, we'll talk about dancing to different types of music. We'll put on different speeds, we'll put on different styles, and we'll see how we can get really comfortable social dancing to all different kinds of music together.
It's going to be a blast, and we really hope you guys come out.
Can't wait to see you there.